Presenting the Kia 2018 Soul. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.